Yes, people, Elder Bigs there again, you know. So we are do some stew chicken today. And some dumpling, yam, banana and potato. I understand, me people. Yes. So this is the basket or the basin, the seasoning them. We have with ginger, Irish, Scotch bonnet, scallion and thyme, browning, jerk Maggi. Yeah. See them? All the things there, my people. We have curry one side, but we're not using no curry yet. Yes, my people. So that is it. And over here now, we're seasoning up some chicken. Yeah, this is the chicken. We're gonna brown stew. So I'm seasoning up the chicken. So first me use the jerk. Now I have the other seasoning on it. So this is the ginger. Yeah. So nothing beat Maggi, no people. You see Maggi, nothing beat them. Maggi, it's the best. Then we put a piece of garlic, piece of pepper. So I just chip the onion on my people. So strip the onion, people. Wash it off. Yes, my people. Drop piece of ginger. Ginger make your pot nice. The on the ends, yard vibes. Don't know anything go yard vibes, so we are cook some food. See it, my people? Yard vibes, outside, kitchen, wood fire thing. Yeah. Yep. I cook some food and the warriors them. We'll eat some food and have a nice day. So, slice up the ginger. And people may run in some browning.